Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to evaluating and improving existing interface based on heuristic evaluation. A video clip submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement for the course Human-Computer Interaction by Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. The copyright transfer to Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. Well, the task was assigned by the sir to me, that was I have to evaluate and improve the existing interface based on heuristic evaluation. The website was Ministry of Planning, Development and Special Initiative. The URL of website is www.pc.org.pk. Okay. First, when I evaluate the website, when I go deep into it, I found some problem in the term of heuristic evaluation. So the number one was in the heuristic approach. This is number 2 point. Match between system and the real world. The website having the icons of social media, as you can see that on the left side, these all are the approximately 8 links of the social media. Some of them are not working other than Facebook and Twitter. I opened them all one by one. Only the Facebook and the Twitter were working, and remaining 6 were just broken links. So when I click them, I go return on the same page, so nothing happened. So that was the mistake that I found out. So number 9 in heuristic approach, help uses recognize and diagnose. Its mean the error in language in the news Urdu text is not clear and having some error, for example, or such that alignment issues. So here you can see that. You can read the first line. So that's as we know, the start from right to left. So there's a bit issue of the alignment, as you can see this one. So this is the error in the language also. It didn't even understood easily. So that was the problem. Okay, again, match between system and the real world. As you can see, title image size is not equal. As you can see that in training manual, foreign trainings and the local training, they both have not the same shape. As you can see, the first one is a square shape and the second one is in triangle shape. But they both are on training, so that should be redesigned, and I think that should be the problem. So it's not good for the new user to get attracted for these things. Okay, aesthetic and minimalist design. Design is simple, good, and easy to understand. Of course, it's clearly present on the website, except on some points like the news. Revolving on the tab, they don't have any consistency and it's difficult for user to understand. As you can see that this is the news tab, so I don't know where the news came from. It's from on the mid, on the center of the page. So according to the rule, that will came from the right to left part. In this scenario, in this website, it came from the center of nowhere. So if you read it, that will be much difficult for us to understand. For example, public awareness campaign on what it is. So I don't know where it's starting and where it's ending. So that's what the problem faced by me. Help and documentation. And the biggest problem I've seen on the website was the menu is not rightly managed, as some items are going down from the screen, making it tough for the user. So as you can see that on development menu, there's sub menu and there's sub menu and there's sub menu. So that will be the difficult for the new user. So which menu have the sub menu and which sub menu have the sub menu. So that was a pretty tricky one, and it should be the error that should have to tell that that menu have the sub menu and that have sub menu with some gap. So that was the problem. Okay, while website redesigning based on our heuristic evaluation, and what I did, and menu was placed in the good and slider and social media links and so on. Okay, so policies and that our data must be maintained. It's just kind of in the broken links. In policies there were some broken links, also in data statistics also the broken links also. So as in the training that we have done, we have seen in the problem that was the shapes and the color difference. So that was managed in here in redesigning. So all the cosmetic issues are fixed within the website wherever they exist. Some were there aligned, some were there the issue with the font size, the text size, so that were all fixed. And the most important, the broken links fixed. Site will detect to each link passed. For example, I told in the terminologies in the policies, and there was the broken link over there, and there also was on the social media as well. So that would have to be fixed. Okay, after done my evaluation of the 10 points heuristic evaluation, I sent it to my other class fellow, Mr. Fisher Arthurson, for heuristic evaluation again. So what she found out in number 1, visibility of the system state, as I have not accepted his evaluation, so I am giving them the justification as my own. So what was the evaluation that she did? A website showing no specific path to user, as this website contain menus, the sub menus. So if user go to sub menus and lost track of which path he followed, then there must be an option which should tell where the user currently is. So I selected the policies from menu, then other option, then from the sub menu, and reach on this page, but there is no any option that showed me the path. Well, discussing the menu. So what I justify, as the proper web paths are maintained in the links above remaining, you can return to previous page of the browser or any required by the menus. Yes, if you want to go to home, just click on home. If you want to go to research report, just click it on. You'll go back to it. So that I justified. Next, user control and freedom. Now, evaluation. If user go from one page to another mistakenly, there is no such option to come back or back to home page, as they are not linked properly. Do not have a back option. Why justify? Browser back is already there, so no need to create it on a web page, making it more complex. Yes, as you can see that in the web page there is a back browser option, so we have to select that one. That will be much easier. And if you make a back option, then that will become more complex and it will be difficult to understand for the new user. He will be puzzled, should I go back with this or browser back? So that will be difficult for the new user. So help user recognize, diagnose and recover from error. There is no search option present on the website. If user need to find something or need to have some help, there should be search option in the website so that he can easily find or search something, as there is not any search option visible or present here. Justification. Why there is nothing on the website for user to search, so search bar is not, search option is not needed. As we done this, it's a simple website, not just rocket science thing. So everything is here. It's very easy. So there's no need for the search option because everything is here. Download, public complaint, contact us, pensioner cell, training, career, public note, everything is given, so no need to find anything for search option. So my critique to improve: after evaluating the website, new menus came into being such as Eco, RPC, and RTI. Couldn't evaluate due to the shortage of time, will be for the future work. Yes. When I was evaluating, there were no such option, because when in recent I opened the website, there will be a new option, Eco, RPC, and RTI. So that will be done for the future work. So then thank you so much.